Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making space and choosing a safe network. Open settings to verify at least 200 MB free storage so the download won't fail. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or ensure strong cellular signal to avoid interruptions. Next, open the App Store or Google Play and search Snapchat. You need your store password or fingerprint ready to approve the download. This speeds the process and prevents mid-update errors, which often occur when storage or authentication is missing. You tap Update and monitor the download progress. The progress bar shows bytes transferred and estimated time, so watch it. If the store prompts for permissions, grant camera, microphone, and storage so features work immediately. Denying them can break core functions. Once installation finishes, don't just open. Restart the app to finalize migrations and background updates. If the store shows replace instead of update, that's okay. It preserves data. Make sure to sign in if asked to reattach your account. You finish by checking Snapchat settings about to confirm the new version number, which verifies the update applied. Then test the camera, chat, and stories. If something's broken, clear the app cache first, then reboot your device. If crashes persist, uninstall and reinstall to force a clean install. This preserves cloud data but may remove local cache. One troubleshooting tip: if many users report problems, check Snapchat server status and update your device OS, because compatibility issues can cause wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.